And this is the number 4 cylinder. I mean, obviously, way low. It's hitting 22 pounds. And to be honest with you, I don't really know exactly how to decipher. I know that the big hump is compression, and that is exhaust. But in order to really analyze it, obviously it's low on compression, obviously, but I'm going to have to do a little digging and research to find out exactly what this is indicative of exactly. So, but definitely down a cylinder, we know that, as compared to a known good cylinder. You know, where you don't have to split the atom here. You just know that there's something mechanically wrong with that cylinder. It has good spark. It has good fuel. It's obviously way down on compression. So, thanks.